Hello everyone, it's Nisha here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you 6 super easy and simple hairstyle featuring a bandana. So bandana were super popular in the early 2000s and I just want to bring it back because I personally like to wear it and I think it's perfect for the summertime. So without further ado, let's get started.
I do where the bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder. Nigga try to get me 5 mile water. I lay his ass down on my son, on my daughter. I had the Draco with me, Dwayne Carter. Lot of niggas out here playing, ain't Paul. Put my whole arm in the rim, Vince Carter. And I know probably get a key for the quarter. Shawty better seen double C's hot water. Now the bitch that's looking like a Leah, she a model. I got the key slip up my whip, list. Cause then I'm about to get the key to the city. Patty, lighter, see. Forgetting out the coupe and the lot. Going for a 12 for a swat. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit the leaf with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn steel. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been tripping like the 80s. She said the nigga so. Got the cash out. Don't wipe a nigga no. Say slash like. I won't never sell my soul, and I can back that. But I really wanna know where you at. I've been moving them out, and steal it with me. Then he got the blues in the pouch. Took it to the forest, put the wood in the mouth. Bitch, don't wear no shoes in my house. The private I'm flying in, I don't wanna fly again. I take my tests in traffic. She sucking on dick, no hands with it. I just made the rolling plain like I live this shit. I'm a 2020 president candidate. I done put 100 bands on Zimmerman shit. I been moving real good, so that's why she pick a bitch. Shawty call me Crisco, cause I pop my shit. Got it out the mud, there's nothing you can tell me. Yeah, when I had a job, South Street wealthy. Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Going for a 12 for a swat. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit the leaf with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn steel. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been tripping like the 80s. She said the nigga so. Got the cash out. Don't wipe a nigga no. Say slash like. I won't never sell my soul, and I can take that. But I really wanna know. Say slash like. I won't never sell my soul, and I can take that. But I really wanna know where you at. I was sick at, where the stash at. Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac. Cause I know these niggas out there where the bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder. Nigga try to get me 5 mile water. I lay his ass down on my son, on my daughter. I had the Draco with me, Dwayne Carter. Lot of niggas out here playing, ain't Paul. Put my whole arm in the rim, Vince Carter. And I know probably get a key for the quarter. Shawty better seen double C's hot water. Now the bitch that's looking like a Leah, she a model. I got the key slip up my whip, list. Cause then I'm about to get the key to the city. Patty, lighter, see. Forgetting out the coupe and the lot. Going for a 12 for a swat. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit the leaf with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn steel. I'ma get lazy.
That's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching it and I hope you found it very simple enough so that you can recreate them yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!
I sell my soul, and I can back that.